plus 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. Next one, Naraya.
3 plus 4
No. That's not the fact. We did that one already, but you were talking this way. You didn't hear. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, next one. We just did 6 plus 4. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Did you say yours? I didn't hear. What you said?
0 plus 6 equals 7.
0 plus 6 equals 7. Not done. 0 plus 7 equals, yeah, she does. 0 plus 7 equals 7, okay? Faith? Can you take that out, please? Nine plus 9 equals 18. Okay, Dennis, back to you.
3 plus 7 equals.
I didn't hear an answer. You muted too fast.
3 plus 7 equals 10.
3 plus 7 equals 10. Avaya, next one.
6 plus 7 equals 7. Wait. 1 plus 6 equals 7, 7, 7.
1 plus 6 equals 7. Naraya?
2 plus 5 equals 7, 7, 7.
2 plus 5 equals 7. Next one.
Okay. And 5 plus 4 equals 9, 9, 9.
5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, go to row 3, guys. We're going to skip 2, go to 3. I said we're only doing the odd numbers today. Go to 3.
Oh, tomorrow.
We're not sitting here doing all 100 of those facts. We're not. So go to row 3. All right, the first one on row 3. We're on row 3. We're skipping 2. Go to 3. Kenley? 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 9 equals 12. Dennis, next one.
6. 0 plus 6 equals 6.
0 plus 6 equals 6. Next one. Avaya.
8 plus 1 equals 9, 9, 9.
8 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, Naraya.
3 plus 3 equals 6, 6, 6.
3 plus 3 equals 6. Next one.
Okay, I'm on 7 plus 9, 4 equals 11, 11, 11.
7 plus 4 equals 11. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Dennis, back to you.
Six plus 7 equals
6.
6
plus 7 equals what?
Yeah. 6 plus 7
equals 13.
Yeah.
6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay. Amaya, last one on number 3.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, let's go to row 5. Row 5. Row 5. Okay, next first one on row 5, Naraya.
5.
8
plus 2 equals 5. 10, 10, 10.
8 plus 2 equals 10, 10, 10. Next one.
5 plus 3.
Can you not do that? 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 plus 3, yeah, 3 plus 5 is 8.
I thought you said 8.
It just stop. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Kinley, can you say it louder because I can't hear when you're saying it. 1 plus 7 is 8, and then 0 plus 0 is 0. Dennis?
2 plus 6 equals 8.
6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, Amaya, next one. 5 plus 7, Amaya?
5 plus 7 equals 13.
No, count it again. 5 plus 7. 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, next one, Mariah.
1 plus 4 equals 5.
1 plus 4 equals 5.
Oh, yeah.
8 plus 6 is 14. 9 plus 2 is 11. And then the last one, 5 plus 0 equals 5. All right, guys, that's where we're going to stop. You'll finish the rest on your own. I just want to do a couple of them just to kind of practice a couple of facts, but you'll finish the rest on your own, okay? Hurry up. No, it's not wrong. I just need to. All right, good. All right, let's cover a couple of things on the board, and then we'll get into our lesson for today. Yes. But we're done with it, so y'all don't even need it anymore. All right, so let's look at my digital date up here. I have April 3rd, 2017. April 3rd, 2017. What would be my digital date for April 3rd, 2017? What would be the digital date, Avaya?
The digital date will be
Stop.
The 4th, 3rd, 17.
4/3/17, the last 2 of the year. Okay, this one is already in digital form. Let's put it into our regular way we write the date, the full date. So I have 6505. How would I write this out, Mariah? June 5th, 2005. Good, guys. So you did have that on your test last week. It's just good to know how to write it both ways. All right, go ahead and count the tally marks. How many tally marks? Count them out.
Good to you. I wrote it down.
Yes. And neat. Okay. Anybody wants to count it out for us? Tell the marks. Okay, go ahead. We don't count by 10, so tell the marks. 30 tally marks. All right, let's add this up here. Remember, guys, we're adding something that has 3 or more numbers. First thing we do is find our tens first. We find our tens. That's the best way to break it down. So anybody wants to break it down for us? Faith? So what are my tens? 5 and 5 is a 10. 4 plus 6 is a 10. 7 and 3 is a 10. Then all I have left is plus 4. So let's add it. So 10, 10, 20, 30 plus 4 makes 31, 32, 33, 34. Good. So guys, remember that's how you break it down. Here, this is another piece you gotta do. Yeah. All right, let's look at the coins. So let's count our dimes and then our nickels. Okay, Kinley, first one, count it for us. Good, how much? 80 cents. Okay, next one, we have our nickels first and then a dime. Dennis, count this for us. Dennis, count this one. Unmute, Dennis, so you can count it.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Okay, and then our 10.
30.
30 cents. Good. All right, guys. So we have been practicing how to add double numbers. So now we will start to carry over. We will learn how to carry over, and I'll show you what that is. But let's practice these two first before I introduce the new way we're going to be adding double-digit numbers. No, I'm gonna just go through it. So I have 33 cents plus 41 cents. So guys, tell me, where do I start adding? The back. I start with my back numbers and I go from top to bottom. So that will be 3 plus 1 and it equals 4. Okay, after I add my back numbers, I then move to the front numbers, which are 3 plus 4, and that equals 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Yeah, you gotta sit all the way down so they can see. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 74 cents. All right, same thing with this one. 52 cents plus 17 cents. Okay, Dennis, you can add this one for us.
2 plus 7 equals 9.
2 plus 7 is 9.
5 plus 1 is 6.
5 plus 1 is
6.
69 cents. Good. All right, so let me go ahead and put a new fact up here. Okay, so let's look at this one. 37 cents plus 54 cents. Okay? Okay, so first thing I do is I'm going to start adding from the back like normal. So I have 7 plus 4. What does 7 plus 4 equal? Avaya?
7 plus 4 equals 11, 11, 11.
7 plus 4 equals 11. Now there's a problem though. So if you remember last week when we introduced this, which I think it was the week before, I told you every number has a place. This is our 10s, this is our 1s, right? So when I say 7 plus 4, I cannot put 11 like this. There is no way possible for me to do that. So anytime your back number, the answer is higher than 9, you will then have to do what's called carrying over. You will have to try to carry over some of that extra to the other side to add it up, because it's impossible for me to put 11 there. So anytime, again, your back number, the answer is bigger than 9, so that's 10, 11, 12, and so on, you have to carry over, okay? So when we look at it, let me show you what carrying over looks like. When I look at the number 11, we know the 1 is here in the tens, that 1 is in the ones place. So what I do is I take 11, I put 1, 1 in the ones place, and the other one that belongs in the tens place, guess where I'm going to put it? Above the numbers up here, because now I put it in the tens place. I still have 11, I just have to write it a little differently. Do you see that? I put 1, 1 in the ones place and the other one in the tens place. You see what I just did? That's called carrying over. I cannot put 11 right here, but I can put 1, the back number of 11 here, and then the other one for 11 up here. Now, what I do is when I add my, please throw that away. Now what I do is when I add my front numbers, now I'll have to add 3 numbers now. Yes. Now I'll have to add 3 numbers. So I have 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. So my answer is 91 cents. This is what carrying over looks like. Let me show you if you don't carry over what you'll get as your answer. So what you would do is you have 11 and then 8. That's not right. Or, this is what I've seen, some people will carry over, but then they forget to add the 1. They'll just do 3 and 5 and put 81 cents, but that's wrong because you have to add that 1. We added an extra 10 here, so we added that 1. Okay, let's do another one. Let me show you another example. Okay, so I have 46 cents plus 29 cents. Okay, so steps are the same. I'm going to start adding my back numbers, which are 6 plus 9. What does that equal? You're not cheating. 6 plus 9, what does it equal? 15. Now remember, this is what 15 looks like. I cannot put 15 in one spot. I have to break it up. So in 15, what number is in the ones place? So I put 5 to show 15. And where do I put that 1 in 15? Up here above on the tens column. So now when I add, I have to add all 3. I do 1 plus 4 is 5. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. My answer is 75 cents. Okay? All right, get out a little sleep paper because I want you to write some of these. Get out a little sleep paper. So we're not just staring at me while I'm trying to teach.
Yeah, you could just look and be looking at something else.
Yes, Braylee.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about.
What is the world? She know what I'm talking about. She know what I'm talking about. All right, so let's go ahead and do a problem here. So let's do 48 cents plus 47 cents. Okay, go ahead and write this factor there. Write this one up. Write this one. Put it up. Set it up. No, I meant what I said.
That's because you're messing with it. Leave me alone. I don't need more tissue. Give me. Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous and beautiful. I know that.
Okay. So 48 cents plus 47 cents. Okay, so let's start adding. So guys, please make sure you're following every step that I'm doing, okay? So we have 8 plus 7. That's our first set of numbers. What does 8 plus 7 equal? 15. So can I put 15 like that down here? No, I have to break 15 up. So when you look at the number 15, what number is in the ones place? 5. The 5. So we're going to put 5 down here to show the ones place. And our 1 is in the tens place, but where do I put the 1 in 15? I put it up here on top of the 4 because this is my tens place. So I still have the number 15. I just have to write it differently. So now what I'm going to do is add up my front numbers, including this 1. So no longer am I adding just 4 plus 4. Now I have this 1 in there. So I have 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then I'm going to add 5 plus this other 4, and it equals 95 cents. Make sure you put all these steps, guys. Yeah, you wait. You might not do that. I did it all in one box. I did it in the box. I did it too. Yes, mommy. Girl, don't leave it too far. Okay. All right, we have this one. Yes, Dennis and Abaya, did you guys write it down? Okay, let's do another one. So this one, you're gonna have 16 cents plus 74 cents. Okay, 16 cents plus 74 cents. Go ahead and set it up. 16 cents plus 74 cents. No, don't add that. Okay, I'm done it with you. Girl. Add it up yet. Don't. Answer. Hey, I'm sitting on my mom. Don't say. 16 cents plus 74 cents. All right, let's start with our back numbers. So we have 6 plus 4. What does that equal? 10. So now we cannot put 10 like this. We can't do that. So we are going to set it up. So when we look at 10, what number is in the ones place? 0. Our 0. And then what do we do to the 1 in the tens place in 10? Put it up here in our tens place. So we still have 10. We just have to write it differently. So now we'll add our front numbers, including this 1 that we just added. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 7 is 9. 90 cents. That's right. Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to get to the 2. It won't ever be a 2. The only time it'll ever be a different number is when we start to subtract. Oh no, I want to subtract. Like when we'll start like subtracting it, like say if I was subtracting. Wait, we're going to subtract next week? No, 32 minus 50. See, I can't take 2 out of 5. This turns into a 2. That's the only subtraction. That's not addition. Oh yeah, I definitely gonna get that. That's coming later. Later. So we're gonna learn today. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do one more, and I want you to try this one on your own. Okay. I want you to try this one on your own. So I have 38 cents plus 49 cents. Try this one on your own. Okay. 48 cents, 38 cents plus 49 cents.
I might need to break it.
It's not plus. It's red too, so that means we don't need those two.
That's probably because you were buying big.
Yeah, it's red too.
Yes.
Don't say it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know that, right? This one said, don't say it. Oh, I know. Yeah, you ready to do that. But, okay, Mama.
Okay, let me see your answers. Don't say it. Let me just see what you have. And I'll see if it's right or what. Okay. Dennis, you have yours? Okay. Oh, you are still setting it up? Okay.
11.
Oh, yeah. Where is it? What does that say?
I cannot now.
Okay.
I don't know what you said, Preston. 17. I gotta do it again. What is 1 at the top? 1 plus 3 equals 4. You're not a teacher. 48.
Okay, it's all right. Okay, so good, guys. So the answer should have been 87. So let me go ahead and add it up. Okay, so 8 plus 9 is 17. So in 17, our 7 is in the ones place. So we put 7 and we carry the 1 over to the tens. That's still 17. So now I add my front numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. I think you just brought your 4 down. You probably didn't add the second 4.
It's 3,469.
4 plus 4 is 8. Okay? All right, so this is what we'll be practicing now, guys. This only applies when your back number is higher than 9. If your back number equals to 7, then put 7, right? This is only when your back answer is higher than the number 9. So if it's 10, 11, 12. So don't get confused with this and start carrying over every single math fact. No, this is only for the math facts where the back answer is higher than 9. If it's not higher than 9, then you don't carry over, okay? All right. Okay, guys, so good. That's it for math. We have our new reading book we'll be moving on to. This is our new book, Quest for Adventures. Do you have this one?
Quest for Adventure.
Okay, Quest for Adventure. So we'll start on page 1. Well, it's actually this page. It doesn't have a page number, but it's this page. We're going to go around and read. Everybody will get a chance to read.
Miss Fusion. On the page.
I didn't hear what you said.
It actually does have number 1 on it.
Well, yeah, but not on the page that we're starting on. It has no number.
Well, that's stupid. Already announced that like 600 times.
right, so let's look at our book. So, okay, Dennis, start us off. Read the whole page, that first, this one, and page 1. So you can read this one and page 1.
There's 2 pages. What the?
Stop. Okay, go ahead, Dennis. Unmute, Dennis, so we can hear. You got it, Dennis?
They're looking for the page.
It's the first page in the book. It's a poem. It's called Quest.
Can you find the page? Davidson? I mean, what the heck am I talking? This page. This page.
Yes, that's the one.
I hope.
Guys, can you please work quietly?
Come follow me. There is much to see and no time to rest. Go pack your mat. Put on your cap. And we'll go on a quest. Perhaps out there we'll find somewhere a sloth beyond a bridge. A drippy cave, the biggest wave, or cowboys on a ranch.
Oh. Did you read page 1 as well? Okay. All right, good.
Wait, you did?
This one? You read this one? Yeah, that one too.
We'll travel far and wide and worldwide around. When we've returned, we will have learned from everything we found.
Okay, good. All right, so this book is called Quest for Adventure. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a lot of quests, going a lot of different places, and a lot of our stories. We'll be reading about a lot of things, different things, okay? All right, so let's go to page 2. Start here. Okay, Avaya, ing. You can read the words on ing.
Ing says ing talking.
No, just read the word. Just read the word.
Talking, sitting, singing, seeking, shouting, telling, trying, calling.
Thank you. Okay, KN and GN, Naraya. Can you use Carson? Carson for today. KN and GN.
Grandma, I don't know. So you call me boy, baby.
Okay.
No, knit, me,
Neil.
Neil,
Okay, keep thinking it's funny.
need, not, thing,
Nope.
no.
Okay. Why that says C? You don't have your book open into the page, so everything is funny. Okay, Kinley, why that says E? Because you're not even holding it open. Of course it's gonna do that.
Funny, puppy, grumpy, funny, and pretty. You can pass right now.
Okay, and A that says and adapt. All right, Dennis, back to you. A says and adopt. Page 2.
About adopt, agree, annoy, observe, adapt, uproar, afraid,
Okay, good. All right, so parts of a story. So plot tells us what is happening in the story. So we talked about the title, gives us the name of the story, what the story will be about, and the author. We talked about the characters who are the main people in the story. And now we have the plot. The plot tells us what is happening in the story. A good plot has interesting characters, exciting events, and makes you wonder what will happen next. Okay? So a good story will have a beginning, how it starts, a middle, usually that covers what's going on, what problem arises, and then the ending, how is the problem solved, okay? So let's look at page 4. So our first story, the 10th Husky. Okay, Avai, you can start us off, page 4. Title first.
The 10th Husky. Bethany Roberts. The igloo was glowing as the sun rose that morning. Sasha got up on her feet and shook the snow off her thick furry coat. She was a dog sled team of 10 huskies. Sasha loved to run with the dog sled team and explore. And a fisherman was their master, and he was very good to the dog. He checked on every dog after each run to make sure none of them were hurt or ill. At the end of every day, he gave all the dogs a bite of fish. And I must do something to thank Master, Sasha said. Maybe I could find him the best fishing spot. The rest of the sled dogs were still sleeping, but Sasha crept off. When she came to the wood, she began her quest for the perfect fishing spot. Just then she saw a white rabbit dash into the bush. Sasha chased after it, and the rabbit ran even faster. They ran past the trees and rocks topped with dusty snow. Finally, the rabbit dove into a hollow log and was safe. Sasha stuck her nose into the log. It was too small for a whole body. You are too fast for me, rabbit, she barked. Then she looked up to see a wide river past the law. The river was hard. The wizard.
Okay. Was okay. Good. So we're introduced to our character. What is her name? And what kind of team is she on?
The snow dogs.
A dog sled team. She is a husky. That's what kind of dog she is, but she's on a dog sled team, right? And so who is their master? He's a what?
A fisherman.
He's a fisherman, right? And so he would take care of his dogs, check on them, and at the end of every day, what would he give them? A bite of fish. And so what does Sasha want to do because of what he does for them?
He wants to find a good fishing spot.
Yeah, she wants to help him find a really good fishing spot. Okay, then she sees a rabbit. She wants to catch the rabbit, right? Okay, and then so we finish on 5. She sees a river just past the log, okay? All right, Naraya.
Because I had formed on the top out on the ice, there was a hole that had melted in the sun. The perfect fishing hole, Sasha said, with her fluffy tail wagging. She ran out to the hole in the ice. Then there was a crack sound. Sasha froze. The ice around her was breaking. She stood very still. If she moved, she might fall into the cold river. She began barking, "Help, master, help."
Okay, so she goes to the river and she finds a fishing hole, but what starts to happen to all the ice around her? It starts to crack, and that can be very dangerous because if she falls in there, she could freeze. Oh, no, that wasn't it.
Back at the igloo, the fisherman began to wake up the sled dog. He got the sled out and began to put all the harness on the dogs. As he worked, he called each dog by its name. "Good morning, Luca. Are you going to run fast today?" he asked the grumbled Luke next. Luca barked and wagged his tail. "Rocky." "Hello, old boy," he said. "Jet elk were going to find some good fish today." Then he spotted and looked around. Then he stopped and looked around. He counted the dogs 2 more times.
Okay. All right, good. So their master comes out and he's telling all the dogs hello. He's greeting them, Luca, Alec, Jet. But then he realizes something is not right, right? He's counting the dogs and he realizes something is wrong. Okay, Taylin? Right here. Where?
He said to himself, the dog stopped barking and looked at the master. Then there was a hole from far away. Old Rocky hold back himself. The dog stopped barking and looked at the master. Then There was a hole from far away. Old Rocky pulled back that her let's tell her let's go to Master called to the dog. The fisherman man hopped on the sleigh. That's what is the thinking. Sleigh. Okay. Oh no. Here, let's go. Play and the dog ran as fast as they could into the woods. They followed Sasha, cried until they came.
Okay. So he's looking around and he counts all the dogs, right? And he realizes Sasha is missing. So he hears her howling because remember she had the ice cracked and she potentially could have fallen. So they're now trying to find her. Okay, page 8, Kinley. All right, go ahead. That's fine. Stop. You can stop there. Okay, so he went to go and he saw Sasha was scared of moving because potentially if she moved, what would happen? Yeah, so as he started to walk towards the ice, one of the other dogs tried to come, didn't work. So how does he get to, what's her name? Sasha. How does he get to her? He starts to what? He crawls to get to her, okay? So as soon as he was sure that the ice could hold both of them, then he starts to walk back. Okay, Faith, come finish it off. I know. Right.
This time, the master did not let Sasha the underdog. He laid her down on the back of the sled and covered with a warm blanket. Then he called to the barking dogs, and they pulled the sled all the way to the igloo. The next night,
Y'all pronouns stay from your mind or get that out table
the
one.
master tied Sasha's legs to the tree so she would not run away, but she did not want to leave the team anymore. She was happy to be safe and back with her master.
Okay, good. So he gets Sasha safely, right? And he brings her back, and he was going to tie her up to a tree so she wouldn't what? Leave again. But was Sasha going to leave again? No, she had learned her lesson. She was like, nope, I'm not going to do that again. And she did not. Okay? All right, good. So that is our story about the 10th husky, Sasha. So she had good intentions, right? She wanted to help out her master, but it just wasn't safe for her to go out on the water, on the ice by herself. And she learned that quickly. All right, so let's go ahead and get out your spelling, guys, and we'll be done for the day. Get your spelling out. We're on list 11, page 22. List 11, page 22. All right. Okay, so let's look at list 11, guys. You have it out? Yeah? All right, let's begin. Number 1, wallet. W. 2, amaze.
AMAZE, amaze. DUSCY, dusty.
3, dusty. 4, puzzle.
Puzzle, PUZZLE.
5, counted.
Counted, COUNTED.
6, marked.
Art,
Okay, what's your get your pronouns over?
MARKED.
Come on now, y'all. 7, called.
CALED.
8, afraid.
Afraid, AFRAID. Afraid.
9, tidy. Can we spell all together? 9, tidy.
IDIDY.
10, castle. 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 11, added. 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 12, help. HELPED. Help. 13, penny. 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 14, mailed. MAILD. Mailed. 15, every. 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 16, very. BERY. Very. 17, many. 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 Okay, let's look at your Greek and Latin. I know, that's what I was saying. Your Greek and Latin words. So you have 2 Greek this week and 1 Latin. Your first Greek word is atros.
Atros.
I-A-T-R-O-S, Atros, and it means doctor. Next one, rhinos. R-H-I-N-O-S, rhinos, and it means nose, snout. That's where we get the word rhinoceros from. And then we have our Latin word, circum. C-I-R-C-U-M, circum, and it means. All right, good. So guys, this is your spelling list this week. List 11. You have 20 words as usual, okay? All right, so that's all we had to cover on today.